openmindsentertainment.com.
Hello and welcome to SkillTimes Training Services. SkillTime Training Service is a premium service from Fountain Pen House Limited. And my name is Ademola Oladoja and I will be taking you through this program. In this program, I want to teach you how you can turn your laptop, desktop, iPad, smartphone, tablet PC, or any gadgets into a digital classroom for learning new skills in the busy world we live in at the moment. I must say thank you very much for signing up for SkillTimes training, and I will do my best to make sure that you find joining this program as one of the best decisions you have made this year. Technology is growing so fast that everyone must learn a new skill or the other to be effective at workplaces, to manage financial aspects of life, to interact socially, and to build self-worth. Unfortunately, there are lots of sacrifices you have to make when you are learning something new. For instance, you have to create time and abandon other things. You have to pay extra money. You have to meet up with classroom demands, which involves extra stress, and even the stress can make your concentration very difficult. There are some skills no one is even available to train you due to one reason or the other. You may want to learn computer skills such as understanding computer applications like Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, PowerPoint, or any other kind of computer application. You may want to learn Photoshop, CorelDRAW, or maybe you are interested in business skills, website design, internet marketing, or you want to build a business of your own with low risk and low capital. Whatever it is, I'm glad to tell you that learning is now easier than ever before. In this video, I will show you how you can attend classes and learn new skills using your laptop, iPad, smartphone, and so on without excessive internet connection. You know what? That is exactly what you are doing right now as you are watching this video. You downloaded this program or you got the CD for free and you are watching it at your convenience without being in a classroom. You are learning something new from a video you can play and replay many times. Through these resources I will give you, you can learn new skills at your own pace. Unlike most classroom trainings, you can repeat the training modules as many times as possible. This makes you master the skills through repetition at your own pace anywhere you are. It takes you through step-by-step instructions using the screen of your devices, for instance, like your smartphone, your iPad, your Galaxy Tab. And these materials can play on almost every device. I'll talk more about this later. There are three major areas where you need new skills. Number one, your career. In your career, you need information and communication technology skills because ICT is relevant to any kind of career you can ever think of. So you need to master skills in this direction. In your business, you need skills. You need to market your business. You need investment skills. You need to increase your sales. And you know what? I'm going to collect information from you on the skills you are interested in. And once I get information on the skills you are interested in learning, I'll develop a training based on that skill and hand it over to you for free. But there is something important I need from you, because before I can do this, I will need your feedback. Just tell me the skill you wish to learn using the format shown to you on the screen. Send a text message to me including your name, your email, and the skill you are interested in learning. Send that SMS to 0818 5990 414. This information will help me a great deal in developing the skill that is right for you. I would love to ask a question, and that question is, how do you use your time? Calculate how much time you use in the car traveling or moving around the city. How much time do you use in brushing your teeth, having a bath, and wearing your clothes each morning for a whole year? I think it's almost the same time a college student will spend in classrooms for an entire year. Have you ever thought of adding the activity of listening to an audio training or an interactive video course as you engage in having your bath? Maybe you are listening to an audio when you are brushing your teeth, or you are listening to a training or interactive video course in a car when you are going to work or when you are coming back from work. Psychologists have proven that humans are likely to forget 50% of any information they heard in the next 48 hours, and they are likely to forget 90% of any information in the next 90 days. So what I want you to know is that you need patience and continuous repetition to master a new skill, the kind of repetition you can not possibly have in a conventional classroom environment. SkillTimes training courses consist of recorded trainings you can play back on your laptop, your iPad, your smartphone, even your car stereo. You can repeat the training as many times as you wish, and there are so many courses you can possibly learn using this medium. Just as I said earlier, I will need your feedback before I can provide you the perfect training you are looking for. Just send me an SMS immediately. There is no need to delay. Just send me an SMS that is your name, your email address, and the course you are interested in. Then I'll be able to prepare the perfect course that suits you. I'll be expecting your feedback. And if there's any area you want me to clarify or there's anything you want me to explain better, just send me an email to response@skilltimes.com. I'll be very happy to receive a feedback from you.
OpenMindsEntertainment.com.
Welcome back again. This is still Ademola Oladoja, and I want to teach you how you can manage your email account. This is very important because email serves as a very powerful communication tool that we use in today's world, and it's very important you understand how the email works. Now, on the left side of this screen, you see that we have here your inbox. The inbox is the folder, the default folder that receives any email that comes in. So I've clicked on inbox now, and here is my inbox. These are the emails that I've received in my inbox. Here we have drafts. Those are the mails that you have created and you saved. You are not sending them, you just save them inside your email accounts so that you can have reference to them in the future and use them for sending a mail. Now, this sent is a folder that includes all your sent mails. All the mails you have ever sent out are inside this folder. Now we have here the spam folder. Spam folder serves as a folder that contains all the unsolicited emails, and don't even know where the person that sent you the email got your email. You are wondering, how did they know that this is my email? So those are called spam. So this is the folder that contains the spam messages. These are the spam messages I've received, and automatically Yahoo has transferred them inside the spam folder. Now here we have trash. These are the messages that we have deleted, and if you deleted any email by mistake, you can always come back to trash by clicking on trash, and you can select the email you want to retrieve. Then you click on move. For instance, I've highlighted these two emails, then I click on move. So after clicking on move, I will now go and click on inbox. Then it will transfer the emails I just selected from trash, which is our recycle bin in another sense, from trash back to the inbox, so you can retrieve your email. But when the emails that you have deleted are spent sometimes inside this trash folder, let's say like a week, it's automatically deleted. So and that's all about the trash folder. Then here we have folders. These are the folders you created by yourself. If I click on folders now, you see that there are lots of folders here. These are different kinds of folders that I have created by myself. These are not the folders that came with Yahoo. Now you can ask me, how do I create a folder? And what is the essence of creating folders? The reason why you should create folder is to organize your mail. For instance, this is mail bank. Mail bank contains my important mails. Any mail that I want to keep for future use. Maybe I signed up to a website and they sent me my username and password, and I don't want to forget those details. I will save such emails inside my mail bank, and mail bank is the name I gave the folder for any mail that are important to me and I don't want to forget. For instance, here I have another kind of mail here called FXDD files. FXDD is called Forex Direct Dealer. So any kind of email kind of communication I have with FXDD, I save them inside this folder. So for the sake of this course, or let me say this lesson, I'm going to create a new folder. Now in the kind of interface you are looking at, this is a new development that Yahoo has made. They have changed the way their email account looks. So I'm going to click on the folder icon here. It wasn't like this before. The folder is somewhere around this region, but they have changed the outlook of the email. So just click on the folder icon here. So once you click, you are going to see a dialog box as you are looking at on the screen right now, that you should indicate your folder name. So I'm going to create a folder now called training. So I'm going to type TRAI. So I've created the folder. I've typed training inside this box and I'm going to click on OK. So once I click on OK, the folder will be created. So you see here, there's nothing new to report. There are no emails in your training folder. So now we have training here, which is the new folder I just created. So any kind of email I want to put inside training, I can go to my inbox and transfer them inside training. And if you want to know how that could be possible, you can just come to inbox. So to go back to my inbox, I'm going to click on this icon that looks like an envelope. I'm going to click on it to go back to my inbox. So now I'm back in my inbox. So from my inbox, I want to transfer these emails, these two emails. I want to transfer them into the training folder I just created. So I've highlighted these two emails and I'm going to click on move. Then I'll scroll down and select training, then click. So you see that those two emails have been moved. Then I'll go back to my folder, click, then I'm dragging down and here is training. I'll click on training to see whether those emails have been transferred. So these are the two emails I've transferred inside training. So with this, I know you should be able to create a folder in your email and assign folders for specific things that you do. For instance, you can create a special folder for emails that you receive from your banker through internet banking or through any other kind of transaction processing that they offer you. You can have a separate email for a particular friend that you receive email from, or any other kind of activity that you do. So that's how to create folders for your email. The next thing we are going to talk about in this lesson is how you can block an email address. It's very important to know how to do this, because it can be very annoying when you are receiving email address from a sender that you are not even interested in receiving email addresses from. There's another thing I should tell you about this, and that is I'm going to click on this email, and in this email I'm going to scroll to the bottom. Now, on any kind of email you receive, there must be a kind of unsubscribe option. For instance, this person that is sending me this email, if I want to stop receiving email from him, I'll just click on this link to unsubscribe from his mailing list. So when I click on that, I will remove him from my mailing list. But those who send unsolicited emails, they don't put things like this in their emails, because they want to continue bothering you with your email. So any kind of email you receive and you see an unsubscribe link, you don't need to do this. You don't need to follow the procedure I'm going to teach you now. Just click on the unsubscribe link and they will remove you from their mailing list. But for those who are very stubborn and they will not unsubscribe you, they don't even give you an option of removing yourself from their mailing list, what I suggest is that you need to create something like a blocked address for them. So what you would do to do that is you click on this gear wheel at the top right corner and you select settings. So after selecting settings, you wait, because it could take some time for the JavaScript to load, CSS and whatever thing they use in creating the page. So this is the settings dialog. Now in this settings dialog, you just come and click on blocked addresses. Click on blocked addresses here. So in this area, we have the addresses that have been blocked from my email accounts. So to block an email address, you type in the email address of the sender. For instance, something like spammer. If the person that is sending you that email, if the address of that person is spammer at spam.com. For instance, for an example, if this is the email of the person sending you that unsolicited email, you just type in that address inside this box and click on block. So once you click on block, that address has been blocked and it will be included in this list. So if I go to S now, I should see that email. Let me see whether I can get that here. Here we go. This is it, spammer at spam.com. So this person can no longer send me an email because the email address has been blocked. Just as you can block the phone number of someone you don't want to receive calls from, you can block an email address from sending you emails. And the next question is, how do I unblock an email address? To unblock an email address, you click on the blocked email address that is inside this list. For instance, spammer at spam.com. I've clicked on it to highlight. Then I'll just click on remove. And from now on, spammer at spam.com can send me email addresses. And to let you know, you can block up to 500 email addresses using this technique. So that is how you go about doing this. So after finishing with this, you just come to the bottom left corner and click on save. So once you click on save, you have saved your settings and you can continue enjoying your email. So that will be the end for this lesson. And as I told you, it will help me a great deal to know the exact thing you are interested in learning. So send me your name, your email address, and the course you want to learn. And I will prepare something that will benefit you in the next lesson. Thank you so much for taking time to listen to this course. Bye for now.
OpenMindsEntertainment.com